Let's talk about keyboard shortcuts. So keyboard shortcuts allow you to do some things without using your mouse, without having to click on anything. So over the course of time, they could save you uh, a good bit of time and energy if you know what you want to do. Okay, so there are tons of keyboard shortcuts. I probably don't know a third of all of the keyboard shortcuts. However, I do know some that are helpful to me. And that's really what this tutorial is about. I'm not going to tell you which ones you should or shouldn't know, but it's about finding ones that are going to help you be more efficient. So the place to find them, okay, and I'm going to look at Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Slides, and then Chrome. But the first three, the way to find them is to hit Control question mark, and you will see a long list of keyboard shortcuts specific to, in this case, Google Drive. So I'm in my Drive. These are all things that I could do. If I want to upload a file, I hit Shift U, and that should give me the option to upload. Okay, so a lot of different things that I could do based on that. So Control question mark. See, create new, more actions. Again, I'm not going to get into specifics. I just think it's something that everyone should be aware of and maybe take a look at once in a while and see which ones are going to help you be more efficient. Google Docs, a lot of these, again, Control question mark. A lot of these are carryovers from Microsoft Word, so I think many people know Control C is copy, Control V is paste. But there are other ones that you might not know that might help you save some time. Okay, insert link, hyperlink, Control K, so on and so forth. All right, some of these you're going to look at and say, I don't need that. That's not important to me, in which case, just don't learn that one. Slides, Control question mark, new slide, duplicate slide, so on and so forth. So many to learn. But again, just pick the ones that are most important to you and then slowly build them up into your repertoire. The next one is Google Chrome itself has shortcuts. And this one you can't get control question mark, but there is a link, and I'll put it in the assignment here in the materials that I post on Google Classroom. But it has its own set of keyboard shortcuts. Okay, so a lot of people know Control T is open a new tab. Okay, one that's very helpful is Control Shift T. So if I accidentally close this tab and then I hit Control Shift T, that's going to open up the tab that I just closed. Okay, and again, not getting into specifics, there are tons of them. So find the ones that work best for you, what you want to know most, and then just slowly learn a few at a time, and pretty soon you'll just be typing your way to efficiency.